Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the powerful neem leaves. Now these are a staple in Ayurvedic medicine and they're a key herb in parasite cleansing. Neem is an incredible effective herb that can help against parasites at every stage of their life cycle, adult, larval and eggs. Now the science behind neem is fascinating. Now, thanks to its rich content of compounds which disrupt the life cycle of parasites effectively, helping to eliminate them from your system. However, neem is potent, so it's really important to use it carefully and not extend it for long periods. As always, it's crucial to source well-crafted or organic neems to ensure that purity is important and to make sure that it has its potency and free from harmful chemicals. However, if you're on medication or you have pre-existing conditions, please always consult with your healthcare provider or avoid this herb if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Now, neem is best used in combination with other herbs as I outlined in episode 1 of this series. So see the video, Say Goodbye to Parasites, for the full lowdown of herbal combining for parasite removal. I've also provided a special 50% off link in the description below for those interested in sourcing high quality, well-crafted organic herbs. And lastly, don't forget to join our Telegram group. It's free to join. It's a vibrant community where we delve deeper into natural remedies and support each other's health journeys, and it's live and I'll be there to answer any questions also. The link is in the description below and I can't wait to see you there. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video and subscribe for more health insights, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.